Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In this lecture, we are going to see introduction to the database tables. In the previous lecture, we have seen about the data dictionary. So, introduction to database table. Database table is an object which stores the data in the form of rows and columns. Rows is called as a record, and each column is called as a field. Where to define the table, we need to define a field first. To define a field, we need to specify data elements and domains. So what is data elements and domains? Very first, a field is a collection of data elements and domain, where data elements includes data types and lanes, where domain contains the description, a short description. So let us first see what is meant by domain. Domain is an object which specifies technical information, and data element specifies a semantic information. Technical information such as data elements, length, lower cases, signs, conversation, and semantic information such as field description, field labels in the field. There are different advantages of using domains and data elements. Very first is reusability of a domain and data elements, and they are also used in creating a foreign key relationship such as in search help and ALE idocs. So let us see what is meant by key field. A key field is used to identify the record uniquely. This is all about the database tables, where we have seen for creating a fields we require data elements and domains. In the next lecture we are going to see how to create a database table.